Hey, welcome to a quick how-to video with me, James. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an office chair with a hose clamp. Let's get started. Come on. So I bought this chair over about 10 years ago at a yard sale. This is my studio chair. It was well and used when I bought it. I don't know how old it was then, but man, it was the best 30 bucks I ever spent. If you try to buy one of these new, they don't last very long. As a matter of fact, we bought one at our day job and it only lasted 6 months. All this fabric and stuff kind of started ripping up. All that ripped up already after 6 months. And I've had this chair over a decade and it's had many hours of use. Okay, so here's the deal. Don't mind cobwebs. And what's happening with this chair, we'll get down here on the ground, as you see this little, it's kind of stuck. I don't know how low I can get this thing to go. Maybe you can see it, but it's just, it's dragging on the concrete. So imagine that's with nobody sitting in it. So imagine what happens when you sit in it and you try to roll it. The other good thing about this chair is the wheels. A decade old and they're still fine. That's amazing. You don't get that anymore. They just don't make them like they used to. So here's what we got. This generally they still do this. They make this kind of configuration. You lift these up and there's your piston. Right? Raise and lower the chair, blah blah blah. So what seems to be happening with the chair is that this plastic thing that holds the wheels, I don't know if you can get that, the plastic part that holds the wheels comes out this way, is riding up the shaft from your body weight. Alright, so the plan is we're going to beat this thing back into position. It's not an easy thing to do. We're gonna install a hose clamp right here. Well, not exactly there, but once we beat it back into position. We'll install a hose clamp here and hopefully it'll work. Well, alright, first thing I'm going to do is flip this chair over and I'm going to install a washer and a new C-clip, because I lost them. All the time this thing's been scraping around on the ground. So let's get started with that. That'll be step one. That's perfect! It fits fine. Alright. That's where the thing is supposed to be up there. Went through my washers, and all I have is one of these. Big boy. It's alright. Found it is 1/4 inch. We'll need a screwdriver. Alright. Oh, I think it's on almost, not all the way. It is on. It could actually be a better clip. Step 2, time to clean it up a little, because I wasn't about ready to clean this thing up without this being working. That would have been a waste of time. Got it off my bag. That's right here. I'll comment. I love the cobwebs. I love some of the colors. This thing I have cleaning freaking forever. Alright, here we go. Stop. It's hammer time! I don't think this hammer's gonna work whatsoever. This thing is tight. I remember how much of a pain in the ass this was. That happens. It's alright, folks. We lost poor Yorick. Oh wait, this chair was built so good. Right back in place. Just like that. I think I'm gonna need a bigger tool. I've got no idea. Gonna use some clamps. And we'll tie them down. Alright, clamps. I'll get that sucker off. Well, that didn't work. So when all else fails, put the bitch on cinder block. So back to the hammer. It's better, but not close enough. We're gonna use this. And we're gonna beat the crap out of it. Maybe not. Moving. Woo! There we go. That's what we need. Alright. I've got you moved to a better position. Now I'm going to set you up a little bit better. A little too far. That's good. Good, good. Get off some legs. That's just how good they made these things. Woo! Tough ass chairs. Super block. Roll strides. Woo! Yeah, buddy. That's what we want. All right. Time for the hose clamp. It's time for that. Oh. Come on. Turn it back upside down. Alright, folks. That's how tough these chairs are. So now I've got it set to the right height. Whee! So much fun, isn't it? Alright, time for a hose clamp. Luckily it's still got a flathead thing. Gotta take the hose clamp apart. My fingers, they get it loose. We go here, down. This is gonna take a bit, so just settle down. This is taking too long. Time to break out this. Gotta drive. When you need to drive, you drive. There we go. Get in there. Get in there. Oh yeah. Make sure the sucker's all the way up there. Get it up there tight. Don't pinch your fingers. think that's going anywhere. This thing, man's best friend. Yep. So this is what we did. Alright, here's your calendars, your little beautification thingies. We got the hose clamp. So all you gotta do is push this in. This thing's gonna go right over it, just like that. Look at that. It's like nothing ever happened. Isn't that great? We got our new pin under here. And we got room to spare. Whoa! Come on, and on that bombshell, until next time, later, y'all.